you have learned from a foreign culture. Now you have learned is present perfect tense. Okay, so you can use past tense, you can use present tense.
Yes, sir.
It's all
It's
all
actually
fine.
a mixed topic.
Yes, it's mixed. Then they said what it is, how you learned it past tense, why you learned it past tense, and explain how you think it will, that is future.
Future.
Absolutely. Please, you can start.
An interesting thing that I learned from foreign culture is dragon dance. It's a Chinese traditional dance that they perform on their Chinese New Year. And I found that opportunity to learn that dance with one of my Chinese friend. When I was visiting China, he took me to that park where they are preparing for their dance, and he actually explained me the way how they enter through that big dragon and how they carry that cloth they are wearing on their bodies costumes, and he also teach me the
Taught
movement.
me.
He also taught me the dance moves which they make while they are dancing in the festival, and I found this thing really interesting. And for that purpose, I found myself really interested in that thing, and try to learn as more as much I can learn from that.
I could learn from
I
that.
could learn from that. And I think this is really important thing for me when I came back to my country, and told to my friends that I learned something new from other culture, and they asked me to teach them, as this is a thing from other culture, and this also allow them to learn other culture while present and country, and this is how they will get benefit from me when I was learning was learn this dance from other culture.
When I learned this dance from other culture.
From other culture, and this is really good thing for my friends to learn from me, because this is
Okay. All right, fantastic. Overall, it is good, just grammar mistakes.
Okay, sir.
You speak fluently, you have ideas, you understand the topic well. There are just minor grammatical mistakes, and these mistakes are related to tenses. Try to focus there, okay? Now, we move on, speaking part 3. How do you learn about celebrations that are related to your culture?
Well, we learn all the celebrations from our parents or grandparents. They told us how
They teach us.
They teach us how we celebrate events or the ceremonies. So I think this is the best way to transfer our cultures to our offsprings. So in my perspective, or in my opinion, the best way to learn our culture is to learn from our parents or grandparents.
Okay, this is very good. Keep it up like this.